Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update product titles for SEO in Shopify. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the products section in the left-hand menu. Choose the product you want to update from the list. Click on the product title to open the product details page. Examine the current title for relevance and keywords. Research relevant keywords using tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your product title. Aim for a title length of around 50 to 60 characters for optimal SEO. Avoid keyword stuffing, ensure the title still makes sense to readers. Use descriptive language that accurately reflects the product. Include the brand name if it is well known and relevant to your audience. Consider using power words to make the title more engaging. After editing the title, review it for clarity and accuracy. Take a moment to check for any spelling or grammatical errors. Once satisfied with your changes, click the Save button at the top right corner. Repeat the process for other products as needed. Monitor the product's performance over time to see how the changes impact traffic and sales. Adjust titles periodically based on seasonal trends and search behaviors. Remember to keep up with SEO best practices for ongoing success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.